Hey everybody, today we're going to unbox some stuff. So welcome to A-Man's Bricks and let's get to it. So first, today we have two items. We have a big box from Amazon, and then we have a Lego bag. I opened it up a little so I know what's coming up inside, but let's dig in. So we're going to go with the bag first, and let's pour it out. As you can see, lots of parts. Lots and lots of parts. So let's see what we ended up. As you can see, lots of parts. Lots and lots of parts. So let's see what we ended up. So immediately you see the one big issue that really sucks about bricks and pieces. And that is that everything comes unsorted. That's one of the beautiful things about buying on Bricklink is everything's sorted. But we'll make do and sort ourselves. So first, you can see the two big things are these great slides. And they're in yellow, so they can be used in construction or in something else that isn't necessarily super theme specific. I'm just really excited to play with these. I haven't had any sets with any of them in it, and now I do. In addition to the yellow, I got these really cool clear ones, and I did not know this until right now. Do you know you can snap them together? Look at that. So, look at that. How cool is that? Oh, and that snaps in too. Ooh. These, I'll be buying some more of these. That's really cool. With the big pieces, I also got this thing. I do not know what set it's from. It is called a 45-degree wall, 2x6x6 with window. I think I can find a way to use this maybe in the back of a building because this height right here is really good for like a vent. So I could put some stuff here, make the vent actually look and work. Just have to put some structure underneath there, but likely could have that dropping. I think this is really cool. It'd be really great for a kitchen. At this point, you're clearly seeing a lot of this piece. This is called a flat tile 2x3 with angle number 3. The reason I bought a bunch of these here is because these were really cheap. They can be used to make a walkway. These are actually the cheapest thing I've ever seen on Bricks and Pieces, so I figured I will buy a lot. This is not the only order I have them in, but they're also metallic gold, so they can be used in a lot of ways. The only downside is the only thing that really fits in between them is another one of them. So you have to have, to do the negative space, you really need to have lots of colors, or you just have to put them in crosses like that. So now that we've sorted all those those 2x3 with angle number 3 tiles, let's continue and see what we have. What's really calling my name right now is this red crab. Now, I like animals, so I bought this. I know that I have this in one of the sets I have to build in Jago City, but in the meantime, I figured I'd get this, throw it in my box of animals. So I also got some other animals with it. I got these really cool parrots, and as a child, I had the painted parrots, and now they have these dual molded parrots, and they're really cool. I also got green fish and 2 spiders. It's Halloween season. I figured it was nice to have. And then, most importantly, I got a seagull. These were crazy expensive, so I only bought one. But they are really cool. So what else did I get? I bought a few hats. So I bought this pearl gold shield hat, and I bought some of these cowboy hats in black. And then looking forward towards the buildings I'm building, I bought some of these. These are statuettes. They are about the size of 1 by 1 brick, and they always come in one color from what I've seen. So I have a dark blue one from that came as an extra in the Diagon Alley set, and now I have, I think it's 10 of these. What else do we have? We have a trophy. Another piece I've always wanted to have, don't have one. Figured I'd get one. And then this piece. This is a dynamite stick. I believe there's one hidden inside the haunted house that I just built, but nice little piece to have. It does not really look like a Lego piece though, which is really interesting. Then we have some of these big claws. I thought these were cool. Figured they could be used for detailing, or if I want to try to make a dinosaur skeleton. So I bought some more. And then I also bought miniature claws, as you can see. Very miniature claws. These are in white. And that leaves just 2 items left. And I think you can tell what they are. They are 1 by 2 dark trans plates and pearl gold heart tiles. I didn't have any heart tiles, and I think that these look kind of cool, especially for in this orientation right here. I think they'd look great as adornment on the top of a building, right below the roof. So that's what I bought these for. I'm wrong. I left out one thing. You may remember it. It's the coral you saw at the beginning. I have almost nothing in coral, but now I have an octopus, some fish, and some seashells. Lots of things, really cool. I just wish I had been smart and bought more. So really great value here too, to really add something if you want to make aquariums or other things. There's a lot of really cool stuff here. So this is everything we got today. We got these, we got a bunch of parts, including lots of pearl gold and lots of animals. And we got Hogwarts Whomping Willow set number 75953. I'll be back with you every Tuesday and Friday with more unboxings, set reviews, and mock building. And in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.